Looking at you.
Mike Balkin from the William Blair Small Cap Growth Fund is here to name some of his favorite stocks. Welcome, Mike.
Thanks, Greg. How are you?
I'm doing pretty well. Let's start off with Pandora. Now, Apple sold a lot of iPhones last weekend. So what does iTunes mean for Pandora?
Well, actually, you know, it's good that you bring that up because I think people view Pandora or Apple, it's one or the other. I mean, they're not mutually exclusive. I mean, I just read where they signed up 11 million people on iRadio. Okay, that's fine, but they're different services. All I can tell you is Pandora has 73 million subscribers. We believe they're the category killer in the space, and we think that like any other category killer on the internet, whether it's Amazon, eBay, Google, Netflix, or Facebook, they end up being pretty big companies. But also it's becoming a little more like a traditional radio station. That's what attracted us to it. You know that they now have either the #1 or #2 market share in all the major markets in terms of listening audience, and they're selling ads like crazy. They have 250 salespeople. I don't think Apple is really going in that direction.
All right, you're also a fan of On Assignment. This is a staffing company, but it's not like Monster Worldwide. These guys place chemists and technology experts, right?
Right. I mean, it started off as a nurse staffing and a life sciences staffing company. It was about a decade ago. They brought in a gentleman named Peter Damaris, who had been very successful in the IT staffing space, brought him in to turn this around. And he basically has gone out and acquired several large IT staffing companies and turned On Assignment into the second largest staffing company in the U.S. behind Robert Half. It's been a terrific stock for us, and there's a real secular tailwind of staffing in the IT side right now.
Well, another terrific stock for you has been Tangoe. This stock is up 100% year to date. Do you stick with it? They're in software, life cycle management software, right?
Right. It's a company.
Whatever that is.
That's right. Well, they do telecom expense management. So if you're a big enterprise and you've got your wireline phone systems, you're trying to figure out how to manage all these different systems across all your offices. But they also do that with mobile device management, which is becoming a big part of the business. But I had dinner with the chairman just a week ago, and he told me that they went and they were able to save a company $5 million on their system just through changing how they work their system.
And then finally, you are bullish on Audience. Speaking of mobile, they take care of what you hear in your cell phones, right?
That's right. They have a noise compression chip, and they basically have patented technology that basically has patented the way the ear hears. So you put that in because voice commands are becoming the thing on phones. So when you speak a voice command, it needs to understand what you're saying, and through the use of Audience's chip and the speech recognition that's out there, that's what really makes that go. We're very bullish on it.
All right. Thanks a lot for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
And naming your stock.
Us.
And thank you for watching The Street.